Kevin said, I won't get on them for that because everybody at my job I socialize with isn't saved. That's what I'm saying, Kevin. That's what I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Like, stop trying to act like y'all so separated from people when you got to work amongst the world. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's not,
I have a question.
Adra Mason.
I have a question.
All right, Adra. Adra said I didn't say it. I didn't say it. Adra said it. Okay.
Come here, Cole.
All right. Praise God. So now let's go ahead and move on. Now, what I want to understand is this. Because y'all, I gotta go ahead. Listen, we got about 15 more minutes. I want to understand. I want to understand this.
I have a question.
Swallow that.
I just want to understand. I feel a Missy Elliott in my spirit, okay? I feel a, y'all know what I feel in my spirit? Y'all know that? Hold on. Y'all know what I feel in my spirit? Hold on. Y'all know what I feel? Y'all know what I feel in my spirit? This is what I feel in my spirit.
Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly, super duper. Me, I'm super.
That's what I feel in my spirit. I feel it in my spirit, okay? Oh, listen, I feel it in my spirit. I feel it in my spirit. Super duper fly, super duper fly. I can't stand the rain. Hey, it's my window. I can't stand the rain. Yeah, it's in my window. I can't stand the rain. Hey.
I can't stand the rain. I'm super fly. I can't stand the.
Hey, what she said? Beep, beep. Who got the keys to the Jeep? That's all I hear when I see this. Hey, J. Rochelle, I'm telling you, that's all I see when I see, you know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. You said J. Drew got that taco me. You know what I'm saying? Let me tell you something. This is why not the outfit is 1-800 garbage. Let me tell you something. This is why I'm not gonna knock them for even indulging with secular artists, because music is music. I'm a commentator. I'm gonna be very much so unbiased with all this stuff. There's nothing wrong with y'all collaborating with other people, but don't be a hypocrite and say, "Oh, this is the devil. This is the devil. This is the devil." No. No. I don't have a problem with J. Drew working with Faith Evans. I ain't got a problem with, carrying them out here doing all type of songs. Hey, get y'all money. You know what I'm saying? LaKendra, get y'all money. You know what I'm saying? Just don't get up in the pulpit and try to down the people that you're working with. Period.
It's my window. When the rain hits my window, I take him, me and Timberland. We sang a jangle. We so tight that you get out.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. But I do got a question. Thank you, Tiffany, for bringing it back up. Hey, baby, how you doing? I got a question. Where's Denise? Y'all, where is Denise? Malachi said dodo. Where's Denise? Where's Denise at? Denise was on the fly too. Where's Denise? Am I the only person that got?
I have a question. I have a question.
Like, where's Denise at? Not with Diddy. Listen. I don't know. Okay, I don't.
Swallow that.
I don't know. Eshandra. I don't care what them folks said. I don't care what them folks said. First of all, whatever. Y'all, where was Denise? Where was Denise? Because Denise ain't even posting nothing about this. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, Jalon. Jalon. I'm not finna play with you today, Jalon. I'm not about to play. Y'all, this is stuff I be talking about right here. See, y'all be getting mad at me, but this is stuff. Oh, that mercy, Jesus. Oh, Father God. How do I do this? Y'all be getting mad at me. How do I do this? Y'all be getting mad at me, but y'all, the folks be doing this to me. Now, they did this. I didn't do this. Y'all, they said Karen out here looking like, oh, God have mercy, Lord. Whew, Lord have mercy. Jalon, y'all, this is Jalon. This ain't got nothing to do with King Jives. None of this foolishness, baby. Jalon in the comments. Y'all go get Jalon. Y'all go get Jalon. Now, Jalon said Karen out here looking like this. Why do y'all constantly do this? Why do y'all constantly do this? Why? Why, y'all? Why, Lord? Not they didn't lock Denise in the broom closet. He has been clowning all morning. Now, Jalon, now you know you're wrong. No. Oh God. I'm telling y'all, listen here. Let me say this so I can move right on. Okay, because I don't want these folks to be the focus of my day. Jones, I didn't do nothing. Listen, I'm trying to tell you, I don't know, because the top looked like he got a drawstring in it. I don't know what daughter of God then did this. I don't know. But I'm going to tell y'all right now. This is not flattering for her at all. Baby, she got a small face and a balloon outfit, garbage bag looking outfit. Out here looking like
house tango. Sway your doji do like you loco. And we get to get night like Coco. So. You wanna play with my yo-yo?
Okay. Hold on, y'all. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. Y'all, hold on 1 second. I gotta do something, y'all. Hold on. Wait a minute. Hold on. Wait a minute, y'all. Hold on, thanks. Wait. Hold tight, thanks. Hold tight. Wait 1 second. I'm coming. Hold on. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Hold on. Hold on, thanks. Hold on. I'm coming. I'm coming. Okay, what the song said? Hold on. Let me hold on. I gotta put the things in my ears. Hold on. Hold on. What they said?
Smoke my on the deal. I can't stand her. It's my window. I can't stand her. It's my window.
All right. Okay. All right. I just felt that I can't stand the rain. I felt inspired. Okay. I felt inspired. Okay. I felt it. Beep. I felt inspired. Okay. Oh, okay. I felt inspired. I felt inspired. I felt inspired. Ooh. Oh, one more time, y'all.
I can't stand her. It's my window. I can't stand her. It's my window.
Hey, okay, all right. That I can't stand the rain just taking over me, right? I just beep. I just, Lord, I'm telling you. Listen, you said, and you is, Jalon, you is the messing one. Jalon, one more time for the people in the back.
Beep. Fool got the keys to the Jeep. I'm driving to the beach. Top down, loud sound, see my piece. Give them pounds now, look who it be. It be me and Timothy. Look like it's about to rain. What